Globetrotter Autonomous LV4. Have you ever seen a bullet train on a road? Sounds bizarre, right? Well, the Globetrotter Autonomous LV4 looks just like a bullet train. This vehicle is an elegant masterpiece that is ready to change the world of trucks. The Volvo Globetrotter Autonomous concept model is suited for various kinds of use. It can be used for the Camworkers, i.e. the campers, workers. The people whose work is on the road can use this vehicle and feel at home at the same time while working. Isn't that amazing? Get ready for a work where you can have fun while working. Combi Mode. This truck will have different types of modes in it. One of the modes this truck has is the Combi Mode, when a heavy trailer or a strong power is needed. The cabin of the truck and the rear body are connected and are ready to move. Convoy Mode. If you need to transfer a trailer, then you can use with a platooning system. The rear wheel axle helps the bumpers and the aerodynamics. The Globetrotter is a spacious vehicle where you can take your family and friends for a road trip and stop at different places to enjoy. The Globetrotter is so spacious that it has a second floor where you can go and sleep. The place where you drive can turn into a place where you can sleep or work depending upon your need. There is also an independent personal space. The vehicle also has an armrest cage that holds a detachable steering wheel and the right side that holds a detachable dashboard. If you want to know more details about this vehicle, please go to the designer's profile linked in the description below. And if you like this video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel to watch more concept vehicles in the future.